Thinking about selling your home in Sarnia or Lambton County? Whether it's your first time or you've sold before, getting the best deal requires the right strategy. Let's walk through the key steps to selling your home successfully. Welcome to Blue Coast Realty, your trusted experts in Sarnia real estate. Whether you're buying a home in Sarnia or selling a home in Canada, we're here to make the process smooth and stress-free. Step 1, are you ready to sell? Before listing, consider your reasons for selling. Are you relocating, upsizing, or downsizing? Market conditions matter too. Sarnia Lambton real estate trends shift, so knowing if it's a buyer's or seller's market can impact your decision. Not sure? Our Sarnia real estate agent can provide expert guidance. Step 2, find the right real estate agent. A trusted Sarnia Lambton real estate professional is key to getting top dollar for your home. The right agent will analyze the market, price your home correctly, market it effectively, and handle the negotiation process. Choosing a local expert means you get someone who understands the Ontario homes market inside and out. Step number 3, price it right. Setting the right price is crucial. Price too high and your home may sit on the market for months. Too low and you leave money on the table. Your agent will conduct a comparative market analysis to determine the best listing price based on recent sales in your neighborhood. Step 4, prepare your home for sale. First impressions matter. Declutter and depersonalize, make small repairs, and consider home staging to showcase your property's best features. A well-prepared home attracts more buyers and can even increase your final sales price. Step number 5, market your home effectively. Your real estate agent will list your home on MLS, Realtor.ca, and other major platforms. Professional photography, virtual tours, social media marketing, and open houses ensure maximum exposure to potential buyers. Step number 6, showings and open houses. Be ready for buyer visits. Keep your home clean, be flexible with viewing times, and create a welcoming atmosphere. Your agent will help highlight your home's best features to prospective buyers. Step number 7, review offers and negotiate. When offers come in, review them carefully. Your agent will be able to negotiate the best deal, whether it's the price, the closing date, or a specific condition. Comparative market, you may even receive multiple offers. Step number 8, closing the sale. Once you accept an offer, final steps include home inspections and appraisals, paperwork. On closing day, ownership is transferred and you receive your funds. Congratulations, you've sold your home. Selling a home in Sarnia or Lambton County doesn't have to be stressful. At Blue Coast Realty, we guide you through every step of the process, ensuring a seamless and successful sale. For more information, make sure you click the link below. Thanks for watching.